guys, so welcome to another vlog, and at itong vlog na to, I'm telling you, sobrang requested to. How do we book, let's say, award tickets, or let's say from your credit card points, ginawa mo na siyang miles mo, so how do I usually look for flights? Now, I have here, I will be doing a screen recording, and sakto, meron akong trip that I have to go to this Feb, and it will be a very exciting trip. And syempre, gusto ko makatipid-tipid, and medyo long haul kasi siya. So, malalaman nyo rin kung anong trip naman na to. Sabihin ko na rin naman sa'yo, I'm going to Australia. So, sabi ko, okay, gamitin ko na rin yung mga miles ko. And usually kasi, diba, lagi ko sinasabi, oh my God, gusto ko mag-hoard ng miles. Pero, alam mo, come to think of it, yun yung New Year's resolution ko this 2025. If I already have it, example yung mga GCs ko, gagamitin ko na siya this year. Hindi na yan dapat hoard lang ng hoard. Tapos afterwards, hindi na siya nagagamit. Paminsan nag-expire, well, hindi mag-expire yung GC. Pero diba, some credits kasi nag-expire, diba? Kahit na dapat hindi siya nag-expire. But it is what it is, diba? So now, I will be using it kasi again, I always remind you na nagdi-devalue rin yung mga points, diba? Through time. So, better yet, gamitin na lang natin siya. So, without further ado, I will be screen recording my screen para makita nyo. And then, this will all be via Singapore Airlines kasi ito yung currently that I have miles with. And then, ito yung gagamitin ko specifically for this vlog. Okay, so, without further ado, what you have to do, you have to go to your Singapore Airlines na website. If you still don't have your Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer account, you have to create a KrisFlyer account. It will be on top here, PPS, Club or KrisFlyer, and you have to join the KrisFlyer. And then use your credit card points, convert it to your KrisFlyer account. Now, I have a previous vlog here kung paano mo siya i-convert. Guys, just watch that simple video. I'll put it here na rin para at least nakita nyo na lang kung paano. Kung meron ka naman ng account, you just have to log into your KrisFlyer account, and then syempre, wait lang. I will be logging in, and then this is it. So, naglo-login na muna ako dito. Okay, so, here you will be seeing here na ano yung account number mo, yung account details mo, and then how many miles you have available. And then, here, you will be seeing here sa book a trip, di ba? Meron kang book flights or redeem flights. So, if you have your KrisFlyer miles available, makikita mo naman siya on your screen, or if not, you will be able to see it also here sa may upper right-hand corner mo sa account mo kung how many miles you have. You just have to click on Redeem Miles here. Now, ang favorite ko dito sa Singapore Airlines, I've been doing so many, parang nag-search ako from time to time. If you book, let's say, flights sa Singapore to, let's say, Australia, same lang yung miles niyan compared to Singapore to Manila. Or Manila to Australia. For example, I have a flight here going. I'm looking for a flight to Sydney. Now, Sydney, I know that they will be using their A380. So, hanap muna tayo ng mga award tickets. Just click on one way. And then, syempre, the date of trip that I'm going to go to, it will be on the 18th. Yun yung flight na gusto ko. And then, syempre, may miles naman tayo. Why not? Mag-business na rin tayo. Reward na natin sa sarili natin. And then, hit on that or click the search button. And then, it will be looking for flights available here. And what's nice about here is makita mo, this specific date that I want to fly. Diba? Guys, nakita nyo dito, 68,000 will be the waitlist na saver. Pero there are some flights here available na hindi siya naka-waitlist. And the usual award ticket niya is nasa 90,000 KrisFlyer Air Miles. So, syempre, dito tayo sa may 68,500. So, when you're booking with miles, I always say na gawin mong very flexible yung travel date mo. Kasi, syempre, gusto mo kung saan mas mura. Kasi ilalabas niya dito usually yung walang waitlist, di ba? Kung ano yung available. For example, this Feb 19, 90,000 miles siya. Because sa 68,500, naka-waitlist. Unlike kung Feb 18, Feb 17, may 68,500 ka dito na miles, di ba? Na award ticket. Saver yan. It can go to promo tickets pa. Yung promo naman, di ba, si Singapore Airlines may spontaneous escape. So, yung spontaneous escapes, it's 30% less than the advantage award ticket. So, it might go as low as 50 plus K, ganyan. Diba? But, diba, one thing that you have to watch out for there is, si spontaneous escapes is 30 days from the sale period. So usually nagsisale yan ng 15th of the month. So dapat within the next 30 days yung flight mo. And again, depending on availability yan. So pabilisan yan, paubusan yan, ganun yung nangyayari doon. So if you have, let's say, a plan na sure ka kailangan mo pumunta nitong dates na to, I would recommend you to still buy with a saver na miles, na award tickets rather than waiting for that promo. Pero kung let's say, gusto mo talagang bumiyahe, wala ka pa naman nakaplan ng mga hotels, wala kang hinahabol na date, by all means, go there. Okay, so now, this is Singapore to Sydney. If I want to click on the edit search again, I'm just going to show you kasi gusto kong mapakita sa inyo yung Manila to Sydney na flight. Same day pa rin siya, business pa rin to. Let's click on search. Makita nyo dito guys na it's the same, naka 68,500. Kaya nga parang sabi ko, in fairness, masaya talaga when you want to, it makes sense for us to book Singapore Airlines because kung Singapore to Sydney siya, same lang yan. Manila to Sydney mo, dalawang airplane pa nasakyan mo, dalawang times ka pa mag-enjoy sa airplane. Yun nga lang, may stopover ka sa Singapore. Okay pa rin naman yung miles mo, di ba? Like, for me, I love riding planes. That's why I do this kind of content rin. I'm an AV geek, so I'm okay with it. And here, one tip na gusto ko lang titingnan nyo, guys, always look at the airplane rin. Kung ano yung plane na gagamitin ni Singapore Airlines. For example, this flight na to, naka A350 siya. But, di ba, alam mo naman as an AV geek, ang gusto ko talaga yung A380 kasi ito yung malaking airplane, di ba? So, if you're going to look at the A380, ito yung mga times available siya. Pero, if I'm going to look at it, naka-waitlist siya lahat dito. Sa Singapore Airlines, don't forget, meron pa siya dito, See More. It can show you up until 20 flights, for example, this route. So, meron pa siyang See More. Yun nga lang, the more it is sa baba, the longer the layover is. So, or the total flight time. So, yun lang yung one thing that you will have to watch out. Now, since on the 17th naman, medyo okay pa rin lang naman ako lumipad. I mean, syempre, kaya ko pa naman. Hindi naman ako uubusan or hindi naman ako masyadong kahabol, but I'm medyo flexible for my travel period. Okay rin ako maghanap ng other flights. Now, for me, as always, gusto ko nga ng A380 because ito yung double-decker na plane. And these are the time that I'm looking at. So actually, yesterday, nung I was planning out my route, ito yung gusto ko talaga tingnan. This one in the middle. The 19 o'clock luluwas from Manila. I will reach Sydney the following day at 11:50. And then, though it is a waitlist na flight, di ba? Waitlisted meaning hindi siya sure yet, di ba? Hindi pa siya confirmed. Pero, ayun ang kasunod dito, should you still be on the waitlist 2 weeks from your departure date, your waitlisted will be cancelled. So, I'm okay to waitlist for now kasi I have a few more 6 weeks pa naman to or 7 weeks pa naman to. So, I'm okay with it. Like, personally, I'm okay with that. So, I'll just click on this and then I'll click on continue here. And then, pag nakita nyo yung continue dito, naka-waitlist nga ako dito and then the total cost sa akin is 68,500 miles and then $44.50. So, kung $44.5 siya times, let's just say nasa 58 na, that's 2,581 pesos lang, diba? So, it will be a Boeing 787 Dreamliner and then from Manila to Singapore and then that business class pa rin and then A380 naman yung Singapore to Sydney ko, o diba? And then, if everything's okay, just click on continue. And then, eto na yung passenger details mo. So, if you're the one flying, just click on your name here. You can also add a nominee naman if you want an account. Pero this is my personal account. Ako lang naman gumagamit ito. I will be the one who would be flying mag-isa. And then, just fill in all of your details here. Nationality mo, passport number. Siyempre, naka-block na po lahat ng mga to. And then, I will not be showing this. Sabihin nyo, Jax, memorize mo yung details ng passport mo. Yes, memorize ko siya. So, mabilis na ako mag-i-input ng mga details if ever I need to. And then, hindi mo pong pwede ma-edit yung frequent flyer number mo, miles mo. And then, you just have to continue and add to waitlist. And then, passenger cannot edit the name. Just click on next. Make sure tama rin natin mga details mo dyan. And then, just a moment. And then, I'm on the redemption waitlist. So, for this one, redemption waitlist ako. So, I'll have to wait. If ever may umalis, then I will be able to get it. Then, tsaka ako magbabayad. If you're not on the waitlist, kasi specifically, di ba, naka-waitlist tayo dito, I will be straight through payment. So, credit card payment mo siya, and then you're gonna pay for it, and then you're going to get your ticket, your award ticket na. So, as a sample here, I'm just gonna stop my screen recording here. As a sample, I will just put it here. Ito yung parang award ticket na nakuha ko back then when I flew from Singapore to Hong Kong because I wanted to try the A380 then back then. Award ticket yan. Yun, mura ko siya nakuha, like 20,000+ miles lang siya. That was a spontaneous escape. So, parang in a few days, lumipad ka agad ako just for the sake na gusto ko siya sakyan noon. But it was an award ticket, so I was happy with it. And sabihin nyo, Jax, bakit gustong-gusto mo yung lumipad ng ganyan? For me personally, I'm okay flying those kasi walang anything for me. Walang masama, walang mawawala sa akin. I have the time. I also budgeted that specific route. I have extra budget back then nung sinasabi ko, oh my God, I wanted to fly it in. Alam mo yun, yung parang if may goal ka talaga, that's one thing that you really want to achieve. Gagawin mo talaga siya. And that's how I felt back then. When I was there, I was so ecstatic. That's why you have the YouTube vlog here para makita nyo rin yan. TikTok videos ko is also available on my TikTok account if ever. So guys, yun lang naman to. It's as simple as this. And then kailangan mo na lang mag-fly. That's how easy it is to book. Just make sure na when you're booking, some final reminders, you have to have your enough miles, di ba? Hindi pwedeng wala yung miles mo. Best case dyan is dapat kinonvert mo na yung miles mo from your credit card partners because usually it will take a day, some mabibilis, but sometimes it can take as long as 2 weeks pa, di ba? So you have to make sure that your miles is already in your account because if you don't have miles, hindi ka makakabook. And also, if you're not a member, guys, hindi mo mako-convert yung mga points mo from your credit cards to that airline account that you have where you will use the miles to fly for free. Anyways, guys, yun lang naman yun. It is a very quick video. I hope this helps. Usually, this process will be the same across almost all of different airlines, but I will be doing another one specifically for Cathay naman, the Cathay Group or One World Group. Kasi for me personally, what makes sense for me to fly will be Singapore Airlines and then Cathay for the One World Group. So, Star Alliance natin, Singapore Airlines, then you have One World Group naman for your Cathay. Yun lang yun. I hope this helps. If ever it did help, guys, comment down below ano pa gusto yung makita. And syempre, I have a few trips planned. 2025 will be kind of fun for me kasi lahat ng mga parang dream destination that I'm going to have when I was a kid, I have a planned trip there. So, I can't wait to bring you guys there. So guys, may update na ako. I'll just do a screen recording. Guys, before anything else, munti ko nakalimutan, I just gonna update na that my waitlisted flight, so this is 2 days after shooting, meron na akong your waitlisted flights is now available for confirmation. So all I have to do is go back to my Singapore Airlines account doon sa SQ and then I have to confirm and then if ever kailangan ko magbayad. Okay, so now I will be logging in with my account. Siyempre, gagawin ko tong step by step with you guys pa rin. Perfect. So, sa Manage Booking website mo here, makikita mo dito kung kailan yung flight mo. So, I know that this is the flight that I need to take, the Manila to Singapore kasi Manila, Singapore, Singapore to Sydney yun, di ba? So, just a moment, we'll take you there. Ito na siya, guys. Okay, so important information, kailangan ko siyang gamitin and then titignan ko, ano ba meron tayo? Wala akong promo code. Sometimes they offer you some promo code here if ever you want to use it. Pero parang for me, hindi naman siya kailangan. Double check ako if the flight that I want is here and it's still this one that I want to take. And then, syempre, ang i-ready mo dito, guys, definitely will be your credit card. So, okay, review the flight itinerary. Ito ba yung dalawang flight that I wanted? Okay, looks like this is the flight I want to take. Yes. I just need to fill in my details. So, okay, the error that we had kanina, it's because wala pa akong details on my details portion. Which is weird kasi dati nakabook naman na ako ng flight. Pero anyways, gawin na lang natin siya ulit. So, if ever it's on your profile, and then your account details or your personal details portion, yun siya. Okay, so, just wait up, guys. I'll just finish this very quickly. I know all of my details naman. Siyempre, lahat to naka-block. Alam niyo naman na. And then, perfect. Everything has been saved. Okay, guys. And then, pag na-update mo, KrisFlyer will also send you a message na my account has been updated. Okay, anyways, let's go back. Manage booking. Click on manage that specific booking that you have. And then, okay, available for confirmation na siya. So if everything is okay for me, I'll just click on confirm. And then, i-confirm na siya ng website. Okay, so total, this one is 68,500 miles one way, and then 44.60 US dollars siya. And this will be the flight details that I want. Double check ko everything that I want. Gusto ko lang not available. Pero alam ko naman that this one is the A380. Nung nag-book ako. Ayan, sorry guys, it's here, update passenger details. Sorry naman, okay, nakita ko na. Which is so weird. Nandito naman yung passenger details ko. Ayan o. Ang weird. Anyways, okay, ulit na naman natin. Guys, this is my first time experiencing this. Pero if ever na-experience nyo, eto na yung sagot dito. Anyways, click ko ulit yung update. Update passenger details. Okay, double check na rin natin lahat yan. Confirm. Kasi guys, when you do this, we need to confirm the flight, or else, if you don't confirm the flight, what happens here, guys, is baka mawala tong flight that we wanted. Kasi waitlisted nga siya, di ba? I have up until January 14, that's roughly a week, more than a week they're giving you. Okay, and now everything is updated, and then let us now click on confirm. Okay, let us click on next. Hindi na siya natapos. Natatawa ako, guys. Okay, ulit. Update personal details, confirm. Ito kasi, yung kanina hindi ko rin na-confirm. Kung wala, tatawag na tayo sa hotline, guys. So guys, basically, 5 times a charm. Kanina pa tayo yan. OTP na naman intayin ko from my credit card company. Perfect! Ayan na, dumating na yung OTP ko. Authentication successful. Finally, nabayaran ko na siya. Tagal natin dito, guys. Grabe talaga. Finally, guys, eto na. Nakapagbayad na tayo. Finally. So, total is 72.60. I think I know the problem. Yung tax kasi, nagka-problema siya doon. I believe it's because of the tax. Anyways, thank you so much, Chris. Thank you so much, Yuan, for helping me fix this issue. Now, let's just check Singapore Airlines. Ayan na, finally confirmed na siya, guys. Perfect. Confirmed. Ayan na, confirmed. So, you now know and you have it na. You have this. Oh, this is an A380, kaya malaki to eh. Fairness, guys. Punong-puno tong flight, nakakaloka. Parang naisip ko, parang punong-punong flight to In fairness, sobrang puno ng flight na to. Anyways, inisip ko, bakit wala akong pauwi? Oh, yun nga naman pala. Isang way lang naman pala binook ko, guys. Later pa pala, magbubuk ako sa Abang Airlines for yung pauwi ko kasi I have miles. This trip will be all about miles, di ba? So, okay. Actually, ang gusto ko nga talaga, guys, maka-experience first class ang Singapore Airlines. Pero, that's for a different trip na lang. Anyways, eto na muna. So, when you watch this video, baka sana tapos na yung trip ko sa Australia. Pero yun lang yun. So, guys, so I hope this video is helpful. Yun na yun. Basically, you have your ticket and you're just going to fly na. The next video that you're going to see will be me riding the plane na. I will be very excited because, again, it's an A380. And, you know, in the Philippines, we don't have an A380. No A380 flies to the Philippines. Kaya, every time I'm riding an A380, I will be riding an A380. Talagang sobrang giddy ako. I hope this helps. This video helps. Step by step na talaga to, guys, on how you book your flights, how you use your miles as well. I will be doing another video, one for Cathay Pacific, kasi for me, these are the two airline partners or the alliances that maraming credit card natin can convert your points to these airline partners. So, yun yung gusto ko i-focus for a lot of these instructional videos kasi you can use your points, your credit card points, to fly for free and eto na po siya. So, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys!